Hi, welcome to Eris Suites Mission Viejo. Eris Hotels is a chain of 25 family-owned and operated European-style hotels throughout Southern California and the Pacific Northwest. Eris Suites Mission Viejo is in Mission Viejo, about a mile from Saddleback Church and about 8 miles from Irvine. Eris Hotel and Spa Mission Viejo, a sister hotel of Eris Suites Mission Viejo, share the same parking lot. Eris Suites Mission Viejo opened in 2000 with 116 rooms and suites across 3 floors. This is the lobby, which has a living room style and is common amongst Eris hotels. On the right is the front desk, and in the corner of the lobby is a computer available for guests. Adjacent to the front desk is a small convenience store with snacks, drinks, and medication. Past the lobby is the dining hall where complimentary breakfast is served for 3 hours every morning. At the far end of the room, they have bagels, bread, and a toaster. Next to that, they have pancakes, potatoes, sausage, and scrambled eggs. At the end of that counter were fruit, yogurt, and cookies. On a second counter in the corner was fruit juice, coffee, cereal, and tea packets. Exiting the dining hall and making a right, we arrive at the elevators, which we will take up to the second floor. This is a deluxe king room. On the left is a wash area with a single sink vanity. Behind that is a closet space with an ironing board, and clothes hangers. Behind the door is the bathroom with a shower tub and toilet. Bath products are by Eris's Elevated brand. This is the combined bedroom and living room area, which has a dining table with seating for 2, a TV, a king-size bed, a coffee table, and a couch. In the corner is a small cabinet with a sink, a coffee machine, a microwave, and a mini fridge. In the opposite corner of the living room and bedroom is a workstation and chair. This is the view looking west from the second floor. The lamps on both nightstands and the workstation have a standard outlet and USB-A port for charging devices. Another view of the room. On the south end of the second floor is an ice making machine and the gym, which is always open. The gym has an elliptical, 2 treadmills, a weight machine, and a stationary bike. Making our way outside the hotel, this area has their pool and jacuzzi. Guests can access the pool and jacuzzi from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Adjacent to the pool are 4 level 2 electric vehicle chargers, which are complimentary for guests. 2 miscellaneous things. First, parking is free for hotel guests, but make sure to get a parking permit from the front desk to prevent your car from being towed. Second, the hotel has quiet hours from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. daily. Okay, time for ratings. I give the Deluxe King a 4. The rooms weren't super fancy, but there was plenty of space for a base room with 500 square feet, and functionality with a dining table, couch, mini fridge, and microwave. If you need more space, they have a Super 2 King Suite, which is 1,000 square feet, and is essentially 2 rooms joined together. I give the amenities a 3. Eris Suites Mission Viejo offers complimentary hot breakfast every morning, a 24-hour gym, pool and jacuzzi, and complimentary level 2 EV chargers. I give the intangibles a 2. The service was fine, staff members were friendly and helpful. The main reason for the subpar intangible score is the property's location. The property is situated in the midst of a residential area with almost no points of interest or competing hotels nearby. Cash prices for the Deluxe King are typically $150 per night. At that price, I give a 3 for cash value, which represents some value. I wouldn't go out of my way to pay cash to stay at this property, but if you have a need to be in the area, then definitely consider booking with cash because the price is fair for spacious and functional rooms, and the free complimentary breakfast and EV charging are nice additions. Award prices are 10,000 points per night. At that price, I give a 4 for points value, which represents good value. I think that is a good redemption of Eris rewards points, and I recommend booking with points. In summary, Eris Suites Mission Viejo is a family-friendly select hotel with spacious and functional rooms, complimentary breakfast and EV chargers, but in an odd location far from points of interest. That's all for my review of Eris Suites Mission Viejo. Thanks for joining.